Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends Reconnect bug. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first of all, you want to be on League of Legends client and you want to go ahead on settings. At the top you will see gear icon. Once you are here, you want to go ahead and find graphics settings. Now once you click on game right there, you should see at the top here graphics. For me, there's no option for it, but if you will have it, you want to check prefer DX9 legacy mode. If there's none, then just go ahead and close this. You want to go ahead now and close League of Legends client and also Riot client 2. Close both of those, also close them on Task Manager. And once you will do that, you want to go ahead and search for League of Legends app, then right click on it, open file location. Again, open file location on League of Legends. And now at the top you want to click Riot Games and choose League of Legends folder, and then scroll down until you will find League client exe file. Now you want to right click on it and go to properties. On properties you want to choose compatibility, and then run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as administrator, apply, and OK. Now after this, your problem should be fixed. Now also, don't forget to go back to compatibility, click change DPI settings, override high DPI scaling behavior, and choose application, click OK, apply, and OK. Now if you are using Citrix, for example, for something, this might be an issue. If you would uninstall Citrix, your League of Legends Reconnect bug will be fixed. Just make sure to uninstall Citrix from your installed applications right there. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.